welcome back. My name is Jessica.
And my name is Aria.
And today we're going to be eating
Thai food.
We're eating Thai food. I'm so excited.
With some coconut juice.
And yes, we're drinking, this is one of like my favorite drinks right now. And all right, so you want to go ahead and pour some in for your cup. We're going to be sharing.
I have some ice in here.
There you go. You want to pour it? Okay. So, oh, cheers. Cheers, cheers. So, we have I have the Thai noodle salad. This is like one of my favorites, and it has glass noodles, it has veggies, and I got a level 2 spicy. So it had up to level 5, and I just wasn't sure. I would rather start small and then like later get spicier instead of like, you know, having to get it super spicy and then not enjoying it. And then what did you get?
I got the
Pad Thai.
The pad Thai
with tofu. No spice. And then we have like a sampler. This was a sampler plate. I wanted to try like different things. So we have the shrimp, like egg rolls. We have chicken satay. This is chicken something. It's stuffed inside. I'll show you right now. And then these are fried wontons. And I don't know if they're supposed to be flat. I don't know if they got squished or if they're like this. I don't know.
Oh,
but
and inside it looks like it has like noodles and like a type of like cream.
The chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like it's stuffed with something. So
yeah, but it looks like it.
It looks good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, and then we have sauces, and I don't know what like.
I think that's like cucumber.
What they're for? And... Yeah, it has cucumber and onion. This one, I think it's for the egg roll. And then we have this one back here. It's like a little peanut sauce, and I don't know if it's for the chicken or for what, but we're just gonna dip and try out. Are you ready?
No, I'm just gonna eat this and a little more.
Are you gonna try the chicken?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get some over here.
I'm also gonna want some of it of that one.
Yeah?
It's because I got a little noodle and I was like, this is not spicy actually.
It's not?
No, it's
not.
The
lady told me to get level 3, but I was just, you know, I wasn't sure. We have our door open because it's fresh outside, you know? But, oh my God, get some tomatoes. Oh, you're going for mine first?
Yeah.
All right. Go for it.
Oh, bro.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
It has chicken in it.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
A bit of
and the onions.
Because I don't know why, but I think that they don't wrap that much food because they're very small and it's very skinny.
Yeah.
Our little puppies are fine.
So, yeah, so one of the doggies have puppies, and what? It's good?
You should have grabbed the one. It's a spicy at the middle, but at the end it's not.
It's actually not super spicy for me. Maybe for you. If I would have done 3, I think it would have been
way spicier.
Like it would have been good. But like I would have been able to tolerate it.
Look at this chicken. Those are so big. Does it look like a shrimp? Does it have this is the face and this is the colita? Yeah.
It looks like it. All the puppies want to play with one of our bigger dogs, but it's a dad, and they don't want to play with him, huh? No, he doesn't want to play with them.
Yeah, because the mom is still there. They're like, They're like eating their necks.
I don't know what. Okay, so let me show you how this chicken. You see how it's like stuffed? I don't know. Oh, it does. It does have noodles. It has these clear noodles, and I don't know. It's stuffed with more chicken. I don't know. Let's try this first sauce. Let's see what it is.
Mmm.
Mmm.
There's very big.
This is good. I don't know. That sauce didn't really make a difference. Is it really spicy?
Now I'm getting the burn. This is my first bite.
So this peanut sauce has like a curry flavor to it. And it tastes really good with the chicken. I don't know if it goes with the chicken, but it tastes good. This is yummy. Everything is so yummy so far. I'm gonna try the wontons. I don't know what's inside. I have no idea, but I'm dipping it in the egg roll sauce.
Wait, let me see. It has chicken, these type of noodles with some veggies and more pollo.
It's the chicken stuff with chicken.
No, it's the chicken. It has the chicken, solo que le echaron algo más. It's chicken with noodles and veggies. Chicken and veggies.
This salad is my favorite. It has like this lime sauce to it.
Lime? What sauce? Oh, the one that has it? Okay. My little... It's good. These are... I knew that they were going to be very hard, even though with noodles, don't sound like... I'm not going to use those again.
Guys, you have no idea how good this is. And they give you a ton of onions.
A ton.
I love onions. This is the best salad in the world.
I got a bit of this one. Look.
You're gonna mix some canned tofu?
Yeah.
Let me dip it in the sauce.
These were my dad's favorite.
Half time?
Yeah. But he also liked more the cup of noodles. But then he didn't like them that much because they're very like hard sometimes. And they don't cook real good. I'm gonna go for this one.
Are you gonna try the sauces?
No. It doesn't have flavor. I just touched it and it doesn't have flavor.
Hold on, I wanna try it.
Yeah, it doesn't have flavor.
My chopsticks were falling. I mean, maybe that's what the sauces are for.
Yeah, but like it doesn't have nothing. That's so sad.
Like, it does, but it feels like it doesn't. I don't know. Hold on. Let's put it in here. Let's get some of this.
I'm just gonna dip it. No.
It tastes good with the sauce. You want to try this one over here? You want more?
No, I haven't even.
This sauce is good with the chicken, with this chicken.
Yeah, I tried it just with that, but not with the veggies. But it's still good.
All right. Let's try the shrimp egg roll. I think it goes into this like the just normal egg roll sauce. These are good. Do you like shrimp?
No.
Have you ever had shrimp?
Yep. On a spring roll. But one thing, I do not like those because they eat. I don't even want to say it.
I'm
Just
going to
so
know what you're going to say.
disgusting.
Hold on.
My dad's told me.
Oh.
They poop.
Okay.
Sounds like, no.
Well, that was some good poop.
Fish poop.
It's okay.
I know, but still like.
That's funny. I'm so happy with my salad.
Like the leftovers that I'm not gonna eat, and just put them right here. If you want, you can get some about mine. If you want.
Maybe. I really like mine. Like, I'm really, really happy.
No, actually, I'm not gonna eat the rest. I'm not gonna eat any more of yours.
Too spicy for you?
I can with the Takis, but
You can with Takis, but not with these. It's a little hard to like
tofu.
get the
Tofu kung fu.
It was like a tad bit spicy.
Really, all of it?
I'm gonna eat all my salad. Yeah, for
Do you
sure.
want to eat some of this para que te calme?
It's not like the spicy is not like it's not bad at all.
Really? Do you?
Yeah, no. I think the cucumber kimchi is spicier.
No. Well, a bit more, but this is very spicy. Master Shifu. Master Shifu. Ah. Look. I'm Master Shifu and I eat my burgers. Because they're allowed in my nose.
So I asked you guys on YouTube like what food you guys wanted for us to do next.
And some of you guys said spaghetti.
Yeah. So that's kind of like the one that won so far. I want my brother to make me my spaghetti. I don't want to get it anywhere. I think like hands down like the best spaghetti ever is by him. So I'm gonna be asking him soon to make it for me for the video because it's so good.
Not spaghetti. I make it out of ham. I make the masa. You don't like it?
The best spaghetti guys ever. I think I have a video of like the spaghetti that he made.
Yeah.
Some of this chicken.
Oh, and we also have a video of a taco salad. And it shows like the recipes.
My friend made that for me. I think Alana made that for me one day. And it was so good. And it was so easy.
Very easy.
Yeah.
And it's like a summer food. Because like you're like, what should we make for dinner? What should we make? What should we make? That when it's summer and you're like full soup, because that's like the yummy stuff. And like pasta, but that's very hot. So
Yeah.
you can make like a salad. It's easy.
The onions make it
Sweet.
make it spicier also.
Oh.
You want here.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Move these two over here.
Oh. Oh.
What?
Now it just tastes like cebolla.
You like cebolla though, right?
No.
I already tried it. It doesn't really like taste like anything.
Does it just have like this, or does it have something inside? Oh, you already.
Yeah, I already ate it.
Does it have something inside?
Should I just put like everything in there?
If you want.
It's all in here.
Not all. The rest is in your stomach.
This is a salad that you would not want to eat on a first date.
What? A first date? Oh.
A first date, like when you go on a date.
You're working in my hair. My hair was on here. It's burying my hair again.
Probably.
These are very tiny, right? I get very tiny food.
These are okay. I don't know what they have in them.
Can I see? It's like the fake shrimp without the red.
These are the saddest wontons I have ever seen. I don't know if they're, I don't know. Like they're
They look so plain.
And
they also taste like
they're flat. I don't know if I want to eat any more of those.
If not even eat the rest of this. Why not eat that?
No, I think I'm good. I might eat this one though.
Hey, you want some juice?
You want more juice?
If you want to get some of my drink.
Oh, I just drank some. I'm good. I'm cool.
Look.
I know, huh? You're getting taller and taller.
And my dad, I'm like in almost to half of him on the side. Like triangle.
This is a big onion.
I think I'm full.
You think you're full, girl? What did you eat?
I'm a little too full. Do you like my name?
Pretty, huh? Someone's here, so all the dogs are barking.
You're gonna go and check?
Mama, we're in the middle of making a video.
Because I'm already full.
Okay.
Few moments later.
Alright, well that was the first time ever she just timed out. She's like, I'm out. It's because it is a little bit hot in here. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can tell, but ooh, like it's not like crazy spicy, but the spice grows on you. One day I'll get better at spice. Do you think that's possible? To like grow your level of spice? I think our chili. I'm gonna try Arya's pad thai. She said I could try it, right? You guys heard, right? Little puppies. It's alright. It's alright. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take the onion. And maybe this one. See, they're big. Whoa. Whoa. All the puppies are wanting to eat, like, from their mom. And she doesn't lay down often. Or she does, but she gets tired of them. She'll lay down with them, feed them for a little while, and she gets up and she's like, fuck them kids. Sorry, I don't know. Because she gets up and, like, she does not want to lay back down after a while. And they cry for her. They're literally the cutest things ever.
It's wrong. Which one is wrong?
Hold on.
When I whistle, all of them vienen. Mira. El enano le está comiendo. Mira, all of them are coming to me.
This one's my favorite. Look at it. It has blue eyes.
Look at the little spots. Look how tiny. This one's the smallest one.
I wish I could keep them all. That's like the bad thing about like if you have puppies, like falling in love with them, you know. I try not to hang out with them often because oh damn bro, there's the chili. There's the chili. Should I eat it? I want to eat it, but I don't want to suffer later. I don't want my stomach to hurt because like I wish I could eat spicy food like that. And I used to back in the day, but I messed up my stomach. And I feel like I can't anymore. That's how good that salad is. It's called the Thai noodle salad. Yeah. I think I am done. The sauce was good. I'm just gonna pour the rest in here. Alright guys, well thank you guys so much for watching, and I am working on making a spaghetti video. If you guys have like any specific foods that you guys would like me to try, comment them down below and I will do my best to try them out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support, and I will see you guys for our next video. Thank you. Bye.